Hi guys, this is Forte, and it's February 24th. We're in a very interesting time where Russia has announced they're invading Ukraine and all that stuff's happening. I'll give up my takes on that real quick. I know it's important, but before that, first and foremost, I'd like to talk about the trade ideas I have for tomorrow. CDEV. I know the world is burning down, everything's going on, but we still gotta make money. I still gotta eat, right? I am, that's how I make a living. I still gotta work tomorrow. If there's a war going on, hey, I live in Ohio. What's gonna happen to me? Very unlikely. Let's take a look at CTEV, Continental Resource Development. The stock is starting to. I really like how the action they had today because today obviously was a gap today and it had a lot of volume, a lot of buyers coming in, and a lot of the stocks actually cannot hold. Like this is the index. This is the overall um, what happened in the oil industry, and we can see that the gains didn't hold too well, and even the overall index are actually getting to become a little bit weaker and slowing down. But CDEV continued to act strong, held on most of its gain today. And I really like this one above tomorrow's high. If we can break this high, we also take out the high made on 11th. And I think the worst case stop should be below, actually on last week, not last week, this Wednesday's low. I mean Tuesday's low. But we'll see. You could perhaps even put your stop at a low of today. We really depends where even right here. Actually, I'm gonna excuse me. Gonna put it right. I'm gonna change my stuff now. I look at it because I'll be honest with you guys. By making these videos, right? In a way, it helps. Perhaps it helps some of you guys, right? For those that follows my trades. But for realistically, it helps me a lot. Helps me catching my mistake and saying that what I'm about to do tomorrow really does affect how I would go into this trades. Another one is TALO. I think they had earnings this afternoon, and we'll have to see how they open tomorrow. Most likely, I hope that we don't get a gap on this, but we are in a pretty much slowly breaking out of a stage one consolidation. If we were to get in right here, we're pretty much buying at the bottom. We're not like buying at the bottom like like this here, but we are pretty much getting like we'll be the first one to get involved in this. Preferably on the weekly chart, it slows down, maybe pull back a little bit or consolidate for a little bit. But I think it's ready. By looking at the daily chart, we are basically uh, taking out this area of consolidation, and we had a little couple days of consolidation right here. Who knows if it's enough or not? But if the price gets going, I'll get involved, and we're also above the 20 and 50-day moving average. And on top of that, we're holding above the black line right here, which is a 200-day moving average. And these are my two of my favorite trades. Another honorable mention would be MTDR. 2 days of high volume. Stock got going, came all the way back, and we saw positive action today overall in the stock. Right, it actually held on to its game pretty well. Put on a view up right here. We can see that perhaps we maybe get a little pullback here because we're getting quite ahead of ourselves right here. Maybe pull back to this area. It also tests this high, and then tomorrow as it gets above the daily view up, perhaps you can get a buy right here, and then we can see maybe sell a little bit right here just to reduce risk because we're in this interesting market right now. And also be careful on this one because it's been acting really choppy for the past couple of days for some reason. If you guys look at the 65-minute chart right here, it's pretty choppy. It has this huge range right here. So be really careful on trading this one. I wouldn't risk more than half or like more than 2/5 of my original risk on this one. And that's it. And as for the Russia Ukraine thing going on, guys, you shouldn't be asking me. I am not a war strategist. I read a lot of book on wars and stuff, but I've never been in one. I am 25 years old. I chase stock for a living. I go to the gym. I play video game all the time. There is I cannot tell you anything more than that. My life experience is too low, and I'm looking forward to learn more about what's gonna happen. And I have my opinion on this whole thing, but I'm not gonna share it, right? Because I'm afraid that's gonna affect your opinion. So, please, talk about it in the comment section. I would love to read about these, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.